Question number 40. The results obtained from Rutherford's experiments provided evidence for the existence of the nucleus in atoms. Okay. And deviations from the Rutherford scattering. What is Rutherford scattering? You had an alpha particle, you had a gold foil, and then you had a gold foil like this. You had a gold foil, and these particles, he assumed that most of them will get scattered back. It did not happen, and most of them went straight. Some of them went like this over here. Some of them went like this. Some of them got bounced back like this. Okay, what does it show? It said that, okay, the earlier model, Thomson's model, suggested that nucleus, the positive charge was smeared throughout the metal. Okay, but here it says that the positive charge is not smeared throughout the metal, but it is being focused at concentrated pockets, and these pockets are called as nucleus. Okay, and then, so as a result of it, he says that this nucleus will have protons, neutrons, which are being bound together with a strong nuclear force, and this provided an existence for the existence of a nuclear force which has been within the nucleus itself, right? And then allowed an estimation for the radius of the nucleus. This is also true. Reason is because in case of the earlier models, it was assumed that the radius of the nucleus was seen to be 10 power minus 10 meters. But here, after this discovery, it was said that most of the atom is seen to be completely empty, and only a small segment of it is filled with nucleus. Okay, and thus he said that the nucleus diameter is seen to be 10 to the power of minus 15 meters. Occurs when alpha particles are incident low energy. No, this is not seen. So therefore, A and B are the right answer. So sorry, 1 and 2 are the right answer. So which is nothing but your option A.